Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you 3 ways how to crochet magic ring and ring chain. Insert the yarn between your little finger and the ring finger, then between middle finger and point finger, around your thumb and back between ring finger and little finger. Now take your crochet hook and insert the hook into this loop, then here and back here. That's all, we have done magic ring. This is working tail and this is starting tail. So it was first way how to crochet magic ring, and now we will crochet just single crochets. So make 1 chain and now we are going to make single crochets into the magic ring. You can pull it like this and make it smaller for better working, and I'm going to continue working single crochets. Now tighten the magic ring, so pull the starting tail and I'm going to connect the ring with the slip stitch and over here in first chain or first stitch. So if you made 5 single crochets into the magic ring, you should have now 6 stitches. Put the working tail over the starting tail and you have loop. Now you can put it on the table and just take your crochet hook and insert the hook like this, grab the yarn, pull it through big loop, and that's it. It's magic ring. We have done magic ring. Now chain 3 and we can make double crochets. So make double crochet into the magic ring, you can pull the starting tail and make it smaller if you want. I'm going to make just for example 8 double crochets into the magic ring. So if you made chain 3 on start, you should count with 9 stitches. So you count 3 chains on start like double crochet. So you must have together 9 stitches. Now we are going to connect the ring with a slip stitch over here in first stitch, and that's all. It was second way how to make magic ring. Okay, now I'm going to show you the second way how to make magic ring. Grab the starting tail around your fingers like this. I will hold the starting tail and working tail by my little finger and thumb. So we have 2 lines of yarn. Take your hook and place it underneath the first line. Grab the second line and pull it through. You have to twist it little like this. And now grab this yarn and pull it through this loop. That's it. We have done a magic ring. This is starting tail. Now chain 2. And for example, we can make half double crochets into the magic ring. For example, I will make 7 half double crochets into the magic ring. I'm going to pull it little because I like when the magic ring is smaller, it's better working. Now you can tighten the magic ring. And connect the round with a slip stitch. Okay, it was third way how to make magic ring. You should have 8 stitches. Now I'm going to show you how to make chain ring. So make a slip knot. And chain 4. Now make a slip stitch with first chain. And we have done chain ring. There is little hole, and we will use the hole, not the first chain, but the hole over here. So for example, we can make double crochets again, make chain 3 and about 9 double crochets into the chain ring. So into the space here, make double crochet. And the starting tail I will hide behind the work. Okay, I have done 9 double crochets into the ring or into the same space, and you can see 3 chains here, and we will join the round with a slip stitch over here in the first stitch. And that's all, we have chain ring done. Try it little tighten the ring In the chain ring is little hole in the middle, but you can fix it by yarn needle when you will sew the starting tail inside the ring in a round. Here are two rings made by two different ways. I think it looks exactly the same, just in the chain ring is little hole. I hope you will pick one of 4 ways and you will make amazing projects like toys, hats or other things. So I really hope the tutorial will help you little, and let me know below the video what way you prefer. If you like the video, please put a thumb up and have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.